So I just picked up a pack of PKCELL 9-volt batteries, and right away, I was impressed by how much value you get for the price. I mean, one 9-volt battery at the grocery store cost me almost what this entire pack costs online. That alone made me double check the listing to make sure I wasn't missing something. These batteries are ultra long lasting. They're designed for lower drain devices, things like smoke detectors, clocks, or remote controls, perfect for around the house use. I went ahead and installed one in my smoke detector, and setup was easy, the fit was snug and secure, no loose connections or short leads. After installing, I tested the smoke detector, and it worked exactly as expected. The long chirp you hear when the test button's pressed, no hesitation, just a strong response. What I like the most about these is that they're extra heavy duty, which means they'll hold up well over time. They're not rechargeable, but for standard household use, they're ideal. I've also got plans to use them in my multimeter and a few other tools that run on 9 volts. It's nice to have a full pack handy instead of running out and paying retail prices one at a time. Bottom line, these PKCELL 9-volt batteries deliver great value, solid performance, and a surprisingly low price per battery. If you're stocking up for your smoke detectors or general household use, these are definitely a smart buy.